Hello everyone, this is Yusuf12. This is a Walmart bag. Let's see what I got. Radio controlled new bright RC tumblebee. All batteries included. Charged with USB, working lights, spinning action, 2.4 GHz, 6 vehicles racing. Forward, reverse, left, right. Lab eyes. Try me, touch my hand for a lights and sounds demo. .360 spins, crazy stunts, crazy action, lab eyes. H6 Plus. These are from New Brides Quality Toys. Here's the back. Pivot steering transmitter. USB charging, all batteries included. Lithium charge faster. Instruction booklet included. Light up eyes within motions. Jumps, push both throttles forward for straight on ramps. Jumping action flips, push both throttles forward. Then pull both backwards for flipping action. 360 spins, push left throttles forward and right throttle backwards for crazy 360 spins. Let's open it up. Because I have to open on the bottom row to unbox these, and you know I have to say I like it. But anyway, let's get the tumblebee out. Oh, it makes sounds. I didn't even notice it makes sounds. Tapes on each side. Oh, it's kind of hard to open these. So I need to open a little faster because I have to yell everything. More tapes. I need to open more because this tape is stuck. Wait a minute. There we go. Here's instructions. Owner's manual. Which includes transmitter, RC tumblebee, as where you charge, USB charger, USB charging cord, light up eyes, screw hole for compartment covers. We need scissors. got the scissors, now we need screws. Where is it? Here's the remote control. Come on. Get this thing out. Come on, you can do it. It's kind of hard to get out of it. Wait a minute, there we go. Here's the battery. Well, I'm doing fine. This is confusing when I'm doing a video. This is confusing when I'm doing a video. Hold on a second. There. Wow, it spins. If I really like this tumblebee RC toy, it's probably the coolest thing ever. I never thought how tumblebee RC do. It spins and does stunts and do tricks. And never thought the tumblebee does have eyes. It has light up. It has some eyes that light. It has some eyes that glows, and it has some wings that flies, and it has some wheels. And let's take a look. It has new bright. And let's take a look. The remote control. New brights, tumblebee. Here's the back. And this is probably the coolest thing ever. You never talk about how this toy do. It makes some noise, and it makes some sounds, and it does speeds, and it does tricks, and spins, and put this on the computer to charge, and that's pretty much it. Thanks so much for watching the New Brights RC Radio Control Tumblebee. Bye.